Imagine yourself in this 2010 Ford Explorer. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. With a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Cruise control, an alarm system, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.